Hello and welcome to a review of the Hobbit Tarot by US Game Systems Inc. Peter Pracownik and Terry Donaldson. Enter the world of the Hobbit and allow the powerful imagery of tarot to guide you through the mystic realm. Following a hero's quest through his many adventures, the Hobbit Tarot helps us understand the meaning of our own life journeys. 96-page booklet offers insightful tarot interpretations and 3 unique card spreads. Unique, I seriously doubt it. Let's see, so many cards. So Middle Earth Enterprises division of Soul Santa's company, Berkshire, the Hobbit's characters, place, trademark, properties of Middle Earth Enterprises. It's one of those decks that's been sitting in the collection a while, waiting to be reviewed. I kind of got a little sidetracked with my tarot card reviews for personal reasons. Namely, I used to do them quite a bit, and then something happened and I didn't. So with the result, I have a ton of decks that are sitting around waiting to be reviewed. First thing you notice is it's a very thick deck. Well, the box is anyway. We'll see what the deck's like once we get it out. Doesn't feel like it's rattling around. Ah, there we go. It's a very thick booklet. Now, that is a heavy cardstock box. That will last longer than most. Now, okay. Now, put the cards down. Booklet. Color booklet. It's nice. No pictures. 6 wands. 2 of coins. Yeah. It's a typical tarot booklet. Now, let's lift the cards up. Backs of the cards. Ooh. Now, isn't that nice? I'm assuming that's elfish. The Hobbit Tarot. Made in China. Of relatively decent cardstock, I might add. Go China. The Fool. You're definitely not going to get any sort of Lord of the Rings type pictures in here because, well, let's face it, that would go into even more sort of copyright issues and whatnot, and you'd have to pay people for their imagery. But you get the general idea. It does look like the gist from the books. The Magician. The High Priestess. Not a priestess in sight. Runes, I believe. Might be interesting to get the old book out and try and read those. The Empress. Interesting. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. It's an interesting one. The little hobbit hole. Chariot. I have actually read The Hobbit, but it's been a long time since I've read it. Strength. Oh, I want to like, but for strength in an old man. I get that there's strength and wisdom and whatnot, but the Hermit. Those cards could have been switched around. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged Man. No, definitely not feeling that. Death. Temperance. The Devil is a dragon. The Tower is also a dragon. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. I'm really not feeling this deck, I'll be honest with you. Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know. Queen of Wands, King of Wands, Ace of Cups, 2 of Cups. I mean, it is usable. You can definitely use the deck. Who you'd read for is another question. I think this is more of a collector's thing. When I read, I like to read intuitively. I like to look at the images. I like to get my reading out of the images. So yeah, you can definitely read with it. It's just, I don't know. It's not. And then you see, it's sort of like they got lazy with the first three of swords. Oh, we'll just fix some swords in there now. 4 swords. 5, 6. It's a shame because it's lovely, lovely cardstock. I mean, the card stock with tarot cards seems to have gone up and up and up in recent years. Don't get me wrong, there's still some really, really cheap crap. I've got a couple of Llewellyn decks which have been stonkingly bad quality. 7 of coins, 8 of coins, 9 of coins, 10 of coins, page of coins, knight of coins, queen of coins, king of coins. Oh, I want to like it, but I just... the first time I've actually really reviewed a deck and I'm like, no, probably not going to use that. It's the Hobbit Tarot by Peter Pracownik and Terry Donaldson. US Game Systems Inc. Copyright 2012. Yeah. Tell me what you think in the link or in the comments below. Click like and subscribe.